Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack again the onomanqapunqabrera happening in South Africa. I don't know if you saw the case of a councillor who was in Cosmos City and then an 18-year-old girl was ekhaya. We've had so many problems with my sister edlwengula abantu abaningi in the area. They are there. Usisters lo omncane ona, she had said 12, but manje I see 15 on TikTok, I see 13. I'm just like, what's going on? But they had said 12 years old, but she looks 8 because disabled. There's a lot of things that's been happening to her. In the location in Cosmos City. I'm just like, so Action SA went to see her because they were around the area, and then sisters were babies would say, no, my sister ningi. Nangu, she's been asked by a lot of people around where we stay in so guys, this case is not nice at all. Like, oh, I'm just like guys, and apparently it's been happening for years to her, the 12-year-old. And the sister went to the police. They've never they didn't get help when they went to the police. And you know what was crazy? A video that was going viral around that. One of the Action SA, I need to know their slogan, it's to fix the country and all of that. So one of the Action SA members was seen there crying. So now you don't know whether this person is pretending or is serious. Guys, isn't it when I go TikTok? They are crazy. By the way, I still don't have TikTok. I've in 2024 I did TikTok, apply an app for TikTok twice and then deleted it. But I want to do it again this weekend. After I posted on my other channel, News Galo for Days, Oguti, a minister of communications, Usole Malatsi, said he spoke for us in Davos. So TikTok fanele asikhokhele manje. I mean, I was just like, I'll never be on TikTok. I've never been on TikTok. So I was just like, no, manje, I don't know what's your take, guys, on that. Nothing advising. What do you think? But I'm thinking it's gonna help my channels, especially when it comes to advertising and all of that. So today I will start with Senzo Mayo's music before they come back on Monday. I want to post at least 3 to 4 videos before they come back on the 14th. Cause I'm just like, Nango TikTok. Malati was like, Yabana with my pianos. South Africans are doing very well. Most countries don't know about Amapiano and they learned because South Africans are just the best when it comes to that. So African countries, and there is 17 million people using TikTok. So I was just like, okay, I'm coming. You know? So I was still saying, guys, again, by Asian SA, they did well in Cosmos City, no lie, to help the 12-year-old. Go by the sister Uti, she's been going to the police, but they've never gotten help. I'm just like, Injani, guys. So Bavibonge EJMPD, unlike one of the Action SA members was talking with it, unlike SAPS was not gonna come and they didn't help this family for years when the 18-year-old sister went to report them. But nabo ne ungakhohli i-Action SA. Yabona sengikhulumela phansi. It's their part of campaigning nabo basemsebenzini, guys. That's how they were found there in Cosmos City. So Action SA did help to move the child and helped. But my thing is that social development must also help with this, guys. This is their job. Social workers and all of that, you know, they must just help. Yeah, no, it's a sad case, I must say. Angifuni ukungasho also nokuthi just as much as we had said thina ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-politics la ne-religion, because there are people who don't respect those things and they just will never understand you. But angifuni ukungasho ukuthi i-EFF nayo ibhizi nomkhwanazi manje, and umkhwanazi akazi ukuyikhulumela. And you know what I like about him? he does not scream mase esekhuluma indaba zakhe. Uyakutshela nje straight utalela ngisaphutha mina. Ngizame, try me. So the EFF inside phakathi nayo, they just like lo akekho right wenza ubukhopha lo wenza. Oh guys, please, stuff that you don't even know about. Like, do you have proof? Uyabo lonto, so bengafuna ukungasho, bengifuna nje ukuku-eda lokho. And then bathi futhi iyabona ama-taxi ranks they want to close them down. But guys, then bantu bazogibela happy. After that incident that happened in GP, where there was even a student that was shot, there was just something that was going on there. Abantu bamile balindi iteksi bagcina sebedubuleka. That happens a lot. Stray bullets in town. It's like so crazy. In Johannesburg CBD, crazy things like that have happened. Even in Evets last year, the one student was standing outside. Kwabakhona abantu taxi men belwa ke manje izinto zabo. And this one was also the taxi situations belwa bodwa, and then ingane yazadubuleka. Bathi manje bazovala ama-taxi ranks. I don't know if that's the solution, guys. You must just let me know what's your take on this, angazi. A bit of scoop on uZandile Khumalo. Indoda yayimtshelile last year uGumede. Angithi washada phela sisters amazi mase bethi ecourt Zandile Khumalo athi no Gumede. Zandile Khumalo Gumede. Yeah, she is correcting us all the time. So yamtshela indoda last year, listen, mina ngifuna isithembu manje. I want another wife. And ngathi sisters had problems with that, right? There were issues around that. But manje indoda was just like, whatever, I want another wife. uZandile Khumalo Gumede wrote a song ethi ena soze ngama endleleni yenjabulo yakho. And then it turns out, guys, usister wife wakhe uNonjabulo. How? And then did that happen? Bafila uthi hayibo kwenzakale kanjani? Kusho ukuthi wayibiza lento wayimanifesta basically. That's what's going on, because she wrote the song way before indoda imtshela ukuthi no, uNonjabulo is actually my girlfriend, soon to be my wife. So basically go to sisters ke shame, but I guess you know what's going on at the end of the day. She's been accepting it. Ukubona leyo nto uzifundisa ukuthi you know what, I am going to accept this. It's hard and all. I'm not gonna go crazy on anyone or my husband for that matter. But I think it's just accept her as Timbo. But she's not heartbroken at all. She's happy about uNonjabulo being the sister wife. She has accepted her and they are going forward. Guys, mina, you know how I feel about uZandile Khumalo Gumede. I've never had a problem in Gaye ongazit inkulu, except for ukuthi mina, I just want the sisters and their mother to tell us the truth about uSenzo Meyiwe since they were in the house. That's all. I've never had issues with her. Ngaphandle kokuthi wathi after sekhulume nomshololo sembuzo ukuthi do you have matric? Into umshololo ibuza wonke umuntu ecourt. Ivumelekile leyo nto ukuthi understand ama qualifications abantu. The next thing, sisters took it to social media. Wathi nje ungazongijwayela kabi wena nelawyer engazi lutho, kodwa wena uyilawyer eyaziyo wena iya ku Instagram. Wazi ukuthi ya ungazongitshela mina umshololo futhi neni case ngithenge inja yami yanuka kanti futhi igama yalo umsho. How rude, guys, can you be in life? That's always been my problem with her. She is so rude on Instagram. Oh my word, actually as searching on socials einkundleni zokuxhumana akadeleli udelela yazini uqhuba futhi intwala ngiyiwisa ke lo uyisa like you've never seen. But okay, is not as much like when it comes to rudeness nokudelela lo esisayisa adelela usidelele yabo usibo 10 years angazi amanga sitshele wona nendelelo ingakanani. Ngiyibeka lapho, guys, thina sifuna nje ukwaziphethe uba nobula Senzo Meyiwe wasandaba nje. Sabonga, guys, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. Thank you, guys. Nginthanda over